Hi everyone, today we are going to see what are the pre-workout diet. There are 5 foods to eat before you hit the treadmill. Exercise and healthy diet go hand in hand when it comes to weight management. Alongside, rigorous exercise or good nutrition before the workout sessions help the body to perform better and minimize muscle damage. Hence, it is important to have a clear idea about pre-workout diet to make the most out of the exercises you do. Before moving on to session, please subscribe to my channel. First is the fruit and nut butter. Fruits are known to be natural source of essential nutrients for our body. They are naturally low in calories and fat and are rich in good carbohydrates, protein and fiber. Fruits keeps you full for longer time and is easy to digest. On the other hand, nut butter is rich in protein and low in calories, making weight loss process effective. Hence, carbohydrate-rich fruit may be banana and nut butter can be good options for pre-workout meal. Second is the yogurt and berries. Both yogurt and berries are good source of carbohydrates and fiber. Yogurt contains almost every essential nutrient and is good for strengthening immunity and promotes bone health. Berries are also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help in flushing out toxins from the body. Third is the omelette. Egg has always been touted to be a trusted friend for the people who are into workouts. Egg is low in calorie and provides balanced nutrition like protein, vitamins, minerals, etc. Hence, it is advised to have a consume omelette with 3 eggs before workout, especially in the morning, to improve the performance of the muscles. Fourth is the water. It is very important to drink sufficient water before workout to keep yourself well hydrated during exercises. It is suggested to drink almost 600 ml of water before hitting the gym. Fifth is the protein shake. Sometimes protein shakes are suggested as pre-workout meal. It is advised to add mixed berries to the drink to maximize nutrition and muscle repair. Now on, before you hit the treadmill or do any kind of exercise, make sure to immune yourself with the right kind of food. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.